I have lost around 7 to 8 kgs and I have gained it all back. And then I lost again and then I gained it all back. And honestly, this has been the story of my life. Hi, I am Ujasvi and I'm in my late 20s. I have been trying to figure out relationship with fitness for years now. So let's start from the start. I have always been a chubby girl, and till class 8 I was like, okay, I was not super thin but I was not overweight. But then the studies and everything caught up and I got overweight. It continued. I obviously tried so many things. I lost few kgs here and there. I joined gym, then I left gym. I was like at my thinnest in 2018, but my mental health was all time worse. So it has been on and off, on and off. Cut to March 2024, and I decided it's like high time. I need to lose this weight. So I was around 78 or 79 at that time. I followed a diet. I used to do home workouts and I lost 4 kgs in a month. And it was great. It was very motivating, very inspiring. It was like, अब तो मैं करके रहूंगी, अब तो कम बैक होके रहेगा. बट यूनिवर्स को कुछ और ही चाहिए था. यूनिवर्स ने बोला ऐसे कैसे कम बैक होगा. एंड आई फेल फ्रॉम स्टेयर्स. सीढ़ियों से गिर गई और कमर में चोट आ गई. रिपोर्ट्स वर लाइक ऑल नॉर्मल बट माई बैक वॉज हर्टिंग अ लॉट. कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा था क्यों इतना दर्द है. एक स्टेयर का कोना लग गया था बैक पे एंड दैट पॉइंट यूज टू पेन लाइक हेल. सो आई वॉज ऑन बेड रेस्ट. पहले 2-3 दिन तो आई कुड नॉट इवन मूव. आई कुड नॉट गेट अप फ्रॉम बेड ऑन माई ओन. इट वॉज वेरी 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 बैड. सब हो रहा था. फिर सितंबर में मेरा रोका हो गया. एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक कि किसी ने मेरे को बोला वेट लूज कर ले, बट खुद को लगता है कि भाई टू लूज वेट. सो मैंने नवंबर में एक कस्टमाइज डाइट प्लान लिया. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ माई बैक पेन मैं कुछ ज़्यादा वर्कआउट नहीं कर सकती थी. सो मैं सिर्फ 5 to 6,000 स्टेप्स अपना करती थी एक दिन में और बहुत क्लीन डाइट में ले रही थी. चीट मील 1 मील अ वीक वॉज ओके. सो ये मैंने अपना दिसंबर और जनवरी किया and I lost 6 kgs in 2 months. It was huge. मेरे inches loss हो रहे थे. Everyone around me was complimenting me. जो मेरे कपड़े थे वो लूज हो गए थे जो स्टिच हुए थे शादी के. मेरा शादी का ब्लाउज, जो सगाई का ब्लाउज है, वो 2 दिन पहले दोबारा फिटिंग हुआ बिकॉज इट गॉट लूज. It was very nice. I was feeling very confident. Everyone was complimenting me. Obviously, I was not super thin. मतलब मेरा वेट 82 से 75 हो गया था. 76. So it was great. So फिर honeymoon and all, शादी के कुछ टाइम तक I continued to lose weight. I touched 73.8 on weighing scale and it felt amazing. I was like कि अब तो मैं अपना आइडियल वेट टच कर ही लूँगी. आई विल कंटिन्यू टू लूज वेट बट प्लेट्यू आ गया. द स्केल वॉज नॉट गोइंग डाउन फ्रॉम 74 एंड इट वॉज वेरी डिस्ट्रेसिंग. आई वॉज ट्राइंग एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, और स्टेप्स बढ़ाए, होम वर्कआउट स्टार्ट करे, बट मेरा बैक एक आ जाता था. नई सिचुएशंस, नया माहौल. ऑब्वियसली चाहे कितने ही लविंग आपके इन लॉज हों, सब कुछ हो, बट it is hard. It is very hard. So everything just affected my mental health a lot. And to cope up with all that, I just started eating. I ate desserts, I ate chocolates, I went on dates, I ate a lot. So cut to January 2026. I hopped on a weighing scale and I was 81 kgs. Yes. My clothes were fitting differently, a little tighter, and my skin was breaking out. Overall, I was not feeling very nice because my body was accumulating fat, which is very unhealthy. Obviously, it messes up your hormones and hence your mood, more anxiety, more negative thoughts, and all that. January, I realized that I need to start small. So I joined a gym with my husband. We are doing workouts slowly and so that my back doesn't hurt. And after, going to gym consistently, then I targeted my eating habits. So from last 6 days, I have started 75 soft challenge, which you can follow me through. And today is day 6. Slowly, I am, by habit, I am building it. एंड आई वांट कि मैं इसको लाइफ टाइम कंटिन्यू कर सकूँ। मुझे ऐसा नहीं चाहिए कि मैं बिल्कुल ही ऐसा लाइफस्टाइल बना लूँ कि आज मैंने इतना वेट लूज कर लिया और फिर कल, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन दिस मूवी मैनी टाइम्स सो आई नो कि आज मैंने वेट लूज कर भी लिया एंड if I'm eating another day, my body has a tendency to, put on weight if I am not doing anything very consciously, so I will gain weight. That's how my body works. So I need to be very diligent about it. In a nutshell, this time I am not trying to lose weight fast. To be honest, I have not lost any weight in last 1 month, but also my eating habits were very same, and I am not doing very high impact exercises because my back is still weak. I'm doing small things regularly and I'm showing up for myself. And I think that's the biggest win, to show up for yourself, not because you hate your body, but because you love your body. So, to all my lovelies, beautiful ladies who are in the early 20s or in the late 20s or in the early 30s, who, like me, have been trying or struggling to find a healthy relationship with fitness, let's start this journey today. Let's connect in the comment section and let's hear your story. Thank you for watching. Bye.